Hi, I'm Champion Trader Kevin Davey, and today I'm going to give you some of the disadvantages of bot trading. So let's get started. If you've been around trading long enough, you've probably heard the term bot trading. It's also called algo trading, system trading, mechanical trading, a lot of different names for it, but it's basically allowing the computer to tell you when to buy and sell. You've programmed the rules, but the bot will do the work for you. This can work out pretty well, but sometimes it doesn't. Now, if you head over to the description, I have a link where you can download the full article and read what I have to say about bot trading. But in this video, I'm just going to talk about two of the disadvantages of bot trading. The first one is a bad historical test. Now, one of the advantages of bot trading is that you can historically test whatever you're looking to do, and you can see how well it worked. The problem is most people backtest incorrectly, and they get these great looking backtests that when you go live with the bot, it doesn't work. It could be a lot of different reasons, but the bottom line is the bot falls apart in real time. This was true a few years ago when in Forex trading, bots were all the rage with MT4 and expert advisors. I saw so many ads for people saying, hey, just turn this bot on, walk away and come back in a few weeks and you'll be rich. Such a joke. And a lot of it comes down to what they programmed looked good historically, but would never work in real time. So having a back test that's properly built is key to bot trading. And since most people don't know how to do that, it becomes a big disadvantage. So remember, anytime you see a back test, just because it looks a certain way doesn't mean it's going to continue working that way. Thankfully, there's ways around that. I talk about that in some of my other videos, but just remember that that's a disadvantage of bot trading. It can fool you into thinking you have something good. Another disadvantage of bot trading is that people have the mistaken impression that bot trading eliminates emotion. And I can't tell you how many times I've seen that proffered by people where they say, oh, hey, if emotions are getting to you, just use bots, use algos. Oh, that'll work just fine. You won't have any emotion. And I'm amazed when I see that because either the people saying it are lying or they don't trade with real money. And I suspect it's some of both. If you're trading with real money, you're going to have emotion. You're winning and losing money. It's going to have some effect on you. It's almost guaranteed. That's why people like to gamble. It's that rush you get from making money and, unfortunately, the downside from losing money. But bots have that. So don't think that trading with the bot is your solution to your emotions. You've got to get control of your emotions outside of the bot trading. So those are just two disadvantages. And if you're going to bot trade, keep those in mind because those are pretty important ones. People ignore them and then they get run over by a bad bot. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. Leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. What are your disadvantages for bot trading? What are your advantages? Let me know what you're thinking. Thanks for watching.